Hello friends, once again welcome back to our channel. Today we present to you the making of a very easy yet delicious and healthy smoothie bowl. This is a good option if you have plans for a healthy weight loss, and also it's an idea on how to maintain a healthy eating habit. So let's directly get to the recipe. This time, I'm using the fresh fruits for making the smoothie bowl. Seasonal fruits are the best of the choice. And here, I'm taking few plums as this time plums are in season. Clean and then remove the pit. Then cut them to small slices. Smoothie bowls can be included in your diet in place of any meal of the day, or preferably as a brunch, or even to replace a tea time snack. In this way, you can split your main meal and thereby reduce the quantity and the calories of the main meal. Take the cut pieces to a small bowl and keep to freeze for a minimum of 30 minutes. At the same time, I am taking the second fruit here, the banana. Prep it and then cut them to small pieces. Now see, you can also do this process overnight and the next day make the smoothie bowl without any hustle. And then again take a small bowl and transfer the cut pieces to the bowl. And keep it to freeze for a minimum of 30 minutes. Now the third prep is a combo of some oats and melon seeds. Soak them in water and keep to rest for a while. So now this is after the freezing and the resting time, and our smoothie base is ready to use. So then let's proceed and make the smoothie. Into a blender jar, I'm adding in the frozen banana, the plums, and the soaked oats. Into this, I also like to add peanut butter. Here I'm using a homemade and healthy version of peanut butter, and the recipe is already shared in our channel. The link to the recipe is in the description below. Do check it out if you would like to make a try. Then another ingredient which I like to use in the smoothie bowl is the Greek yogurt. Again, this is a good source of protein and an amazing probiotic. As before, all the ingredients and the measurements with details are available in our website. You can find the link in the description box and save it or print it and use it as a guide for making your next smoothie bowl. So that's it. Simply blend them nicely. If you're on a weight loss diet, then a healthy smoothie bowl is a good option to replace any meal of the day. Similarly, if you intend to reduce the quantity of a meal, especially during the lunch and dinner, then the intake of healthy smoothie bowls during the brunch or the evening snack is quite helpful to keep you filled up, and thereby you can reduce the quantity of intake during the lunch or dinner. So this is a smoothie after blending. Now let's take time to serve it. Just take it to any serving bowl of your choice and then top it with fruits and nuts of your choice. Here I'm using the same fruits, banana, plum and few melon seeds. So in this way, you can easily make any smoothie bowls with fresh and seasonal fruits. And this is a healthy smoothie bowl ready for you to relish. Smoothie bowls are a good choice to replace any meal of the day. Thank you for being with us and see you soon in our next video. Also, if you feel free, do share it with us your favorite smoothie bowl recipes. Eat healthy, stay healthy and stay happy.